The PWEND DFU mode is a Arc version of DFU mode that disables the Apple signature. So we are trying to disable the Apple signature here so that we can access into the firmware of the customware image of the phone. So after the DFU mode, you will go to the RAM disk to boot to the RAM. A RAM disk lets you temporarily put a small custom environment on your phone for troubleshooting, hacking, or recovery without tampering the installed OS. We are trying to hack into the device, so you can probably use it for troubleshooting or hacking or what, recovering. Maybe you have your important information which you want to recover, but in this case we are trying to hack into the passcode of the device so that we can use that to bypass the passcode of the phone. So it's taking us through the process. That's what we are seeing on our screen. It's taking us through the process. So after booting, the next thing you do your phone backup. Your phone backup is going to backup the passcode. Now after you've hacked into the device, now you are backing up the passcode of the device. So it's going. So after that, you do your factory reset to format the phone immediately after you've done your backup. You do your factory reset and reset every information so that you can recover, so that you can restore back the backup that you did. So the phone is booting up after the whole process, after the resetting. This is the phone. It's showing here. So after then, you boot back to your DFU mode. After booting back to your DFU mode, I have told us earlier what DFU stands for, or why we need to boot into our DFU mode. You are booting to that interface that is going to let us access into the you are building up. It's just like someone building up an OS. We are not changing it, building up an OS. After that we are loading our RAM disks. After the RAM disks, same process that we did earlier. So this is the we are trying to restore back the passcode. The first one we did was to back up the passcode. Now we are doing what? We are restoring back the passcode. So it's taking us the same process back. So, and this how we can bypass passcode with full bypass with Signal with UnlockTool. So you wait patiently to boot into the RAM disk, and after that you do your what? You do your restore. You can see restore backup plus ONT disable, or the ONT disable is like maybe you don't want a situation easily in the settings. You can go easily to wipe down your phone. So, and that is all. Thank